Hello and welcome to Dr. Seuss's Book of Animals. We see animals all around, in the sky and on the ground. We see a dog, we see a cat, we see a fish, we see a hat. Horse, cow, pig, goat, even a crow in a hat and coat. We see birds, we see bees, we see turtles up in trees. An animal with 2 feet, an animal with 4. An animal with 8 feet, an animal with more. Some have big teeth, some have small, and some have no teeth at all. This one has feathers, this one has fur, this one is a Yuza Matuz. Some animals are shaggy, some animals are waggy, and some are even zaggy. That's what I think. This one has stripes, this one has spots, this one has horns, and this one has knots. Some live inside, some live out. Some like to smile, and some like to pout. This one works hard, this one is lazy. This one's mother is called Maisie. Some sleep in beds, some sleep in nests. Some are called pets, and some are called pests. Bear and donkey, lion and snail, mouse and monkey, rabbit and whale. Every day, from here to there, animals are everywhere.